I did not mean that.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the garage. So, Daniel and I got a little bored the other day while we were just chilling at the house watching some racing. Trying to figure out what to do.
Get our ideas going, the gears turning, which can lead to bad things or good things.
Yeah, so we had the genius idea of, what can we do and practice some skills? So, we're gonna straight pipe the RS. With the MBRP, it's super easy to take the muffler off. So we had some scrap metal laying around, and we figured we'd go ahead and break the welder back out again and get some practice going on with that. So we're gonna be a little bit crazy here, and it's already loud and bangs a lot.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how ridiculous this thing really gets.
Just some good old shits and giggles. Figure why not, right?
Yeah, I mean,
and maybe this will lead to some electric cutouts, maybe, or something.
Yeah, maybe.
You know, that would be pretty cool. That way I can have quieter exhaust, and then just straight pipe, just with the button. That'd be pretty wild.
Yeah.
But yeah, curiosity killed the cat, and we're just gonna see what happens.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get something together, and we're gonna start taking this thing off, and yeah, we're gonna be a menace to the neighborhood for a little while. All right, see you on the other side.
So here it is. We're not gonna get too close. I don't want you seeing my booger welds. They're
It's stuck together. It ain't coming apart.
Literally, this 90 was just a piece for us to practice our welds. So there's nothing great coming out of this, except for this cool little experiment we're gonna throw on.
Yeah,
so,
it's definitely not good for a charge pipe, but it'll. There's no pressure coming out of the exhaust. All it's got to do is flow in direct air.
yeah, and for temporary use as well. So I don't care if later on the welds break, because I'll just be throwing the muffler back on, I'm sure of it. But I wanted to show you guys the great thing about the MBRP exhaust down here is there's a slip joint. It has one clamp right here that connects the whole muffler to the rest of the catback, and two hangers. So it's going to be super easy to remove the mufflers. Now, we do have like a, what is that, like a resonator chamber back here that will be before the slip joint, but that might actually help us. It might smooth out the noise a little bit.
Yeah.
But this is gonna be super easy, and this is kind of what stemmed the idea. I saw how easy it was to remove the muffler, and I was like, we gotta do something with it.
Yeah.
So since the catback exhaust before the muffler does a 90 and goes towards the passenger side, I didn't want to like do any crazy fabrication because we're new welders here, and bring it back and do a whole dual tip exhaust. So we just did the 90 and to bring it out on the right side here. And what we're gonna do is to make it look somewhat I wouldn't say professional, but better, is we're gonna take the tip off one of these and slip it over our custom exhaust here.
Yeah, you want to hold that thing up to the back of the car and kind of show what we're doing here?
So it's literally going to just replace the muffler here and go straight out that
Yeah,
side.
it's a nice little slip joint on that side that's already from the MBRP, and we got a little flare end, cut a couple notches in it, so once that clamp comes down, it ain't going to go anywhere, and yeah, should be good to mess around with this thing.
Fun.
Oh man, it's going to be so obnoxious.
My real curiosity is, since we do have a catless downpipe on here, am I gonna shoot flames at all? I'm thinking yes. I'm kind of hoping for yes.
Yeah.
But we'll see, I guess.
Yeah.
With time.
So maybe we'll have to mess around a little bit when it gets dark out.
I think that's a need. So, all right, let's just get to it.
All right.
See what we can do.
All right, here we go. We're gonna do a little warm start with the MBRP as it is. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, give me one more, Daniel.
Yeah, turn it in track mode.
There we go. Was that it? A 15?
Yeah, I just need it deep well.
Deep well? Gotcha.
Yes.
Your old Carty McCart face.
WD-40. I'm gonna need that.
All right, let me go grab some.
Wow. So, not as easy as I was expecting, just because of all the surface rust. I think this car did come from like Chicago, I think. So, the joints were just hard to pull apart, but we got it. We got the one tip on there. I think we need to put an actual nice hanger on there because we didn't put a hanger. So I'm gonna probably have to go pick up a hanger, bend it, weld it on there, or I could use. I'm thinking it's called plumber's tape. It's the metal strip with the holes in it where you can make your own like kind of hanger. That'll probably be a temporary fix for now. Right now we got just a small chain looped up and holding in place so it doesn't start dragging on the ground. But,
yeah, this is not intended to be a high dollar freaking thing. This is us just screwing around. So as long as it lasts for a few days, that's all that really matters.
It looks a little silly with one exit exhaust, but if you like cover cover the driver's side, close one eye, it actually kind of looks kind of cool.
Yeah, let's give her a start up.
This is
see how obnoxious it is.
We didn't even start this up for our own pleasure or anything. This is the first reaction.
You guys get to enjoy it with us. Holy shit! That is way louder.
We need to twist the tip a little bit, but we can do the fine details later.
Give her a couple revs real quick.
Oh, you sure about that,
Just
bud?
a couple little ones, man. This thing's already rowdy.
I did not mean that.
Yeah. Man, that is rowdy. Jesus, Daniel. I told you it was going to be obnoxious.
So, the cops might get called.
It's not like we don't have 5 of them that live in our neighborhood.
This is probably going to be changed back very quickly.
Yeah.
But we'll probably hang on until tonight.
Yeah. Warn your neighbors before you go to work in the morning.
They already love me, I'm sure. This is going to be even worse.
Oh, man, that is rowdy, dude.
Okay, well, I think we need to go take it around the block and see what it's like under boost and whatnot.
All right, let's go.
All right. It doesn't really burble too much now as it does straight up bangs.
Yeah, you can hear everything now. It is crazy.
There's that little hanger that we made.
Yeah, be gentle going over the bumps. Popping a whole bag of popcorn over here, jeez. This thing is rowdy.
I've yet to get a ticket for exhaust. That might be in my near future.
Yeah.
Not that I want it, but now I kind of deserve it.
What do you think, Daniel?
It's loud. It sounds amazing, but it's loud. We'll have to do a out of the car shot here soon, but now I'm nervous I'm gonna get pulled over. Well, I'll have fun doing it, and that's what counts, right?
Yep. All right, let's try not to piss off the neighbors. Alright guys, that was us messing around. Hopefully you guys had as much fun as we did. Daniel's gonna go terrorize the neighborhood for a little bit, get an exhaust hanger hooked up, but hopefully we'll be messing around with some more stuff and we can bring you along for the ride, and we'll see you in the next one.